I am so excited, guys. From my screen, you can see I have a balance of 200 and something thousand naira and some change. So on this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys this wonderful platform that helped me to make this amount. So stay tuned and you won't miss out. So without further ado, guys, let's dive right into it. Welcome back, guys. I'm Chido original. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I teach you guys how to make money online and how to invest your money as well. So today's topic, we'll be talking about this wonderful website called COWRYWISE. So if you come to Google and search what is COWRYWISE, you see that COWRYWISE is founded in 2017, right, by Edward Popula and Rizad Ahmed. So these are the guys. They are black dudes and they have their office in Ikeja GRA, Lagos State, Nigeria. So that's where they're located at. So you guys can go through their interface and know more about them. So this is their official website, COWRYWISE. Get your money working for you. So while you save your money using this app and website, they help you to earn interest as time goes on. So this is just like a saving and investment platform. So this is a wonderful platform, and they have their application on Google Play Store as well as Apple Store. So there's no excuse for you guys, no matter what device you're using. If you're using a Android phone, if you're using an Android phone, rather, if you're using an iPhone, anyone that you're using, you can make use of this wonderful platform. So there's no excuse for you guys, right? So this is the interface of the website. Basically, leverage tools for your financial freedom. Save with friends. You can save with friends. I'll go into details and show you guys how to register in this wonderful platform and how I was able to make that amount of money. So I'll show you guys all the secrets in this video, so stick with me with this. So this is their interface of what they do. Keep your money safe in our business. So they have this two-factor authentication and their platform is highly secure. I guarantee that, guys. So these are some of the testimonials. You can go through this and read what people are saying about their wonderful platform. So real quick, I'll show you guys how to register on this platform and how you can start earning your money. So come to the tab and say click on sign up for free. Okay, here on the next interface, they'll ask you to put the email address you want to use to register. For me, I'll use Chido original 247@gmail.com. So this is my official email in case you want to contact me for business purposes, or if you have anything you want to propose to me. So contact me on this email address. After that, click on create free account. You go to the email address you just inserted. So that's only need to make sure that the email address is actually yours. So I've gotten an OTP code from them, rather. So this is the OTP code. I'm putting it right now. So this OTP code is unique for me, so there's no need for you guys to copy this. So your own will be different from my own, so just insert it here. So the next interface is to put your first name. As for me, I'll use Chido original. So use your own legal name here. Put your own legal name here. So in case they ask you to verify your account using some government issued ID cards and all that, so just put your legal name. So here you put the phone number that you have. I'll put my phone number here. This is a random phone number that I want to use for the purpose of this tutorial, but I don't have to tell you that you have to put your own legit phone number. Now they're asking you to put a password. So the password that you want to use for your account, I'll use this for the purpose of this tutorial. So this is the one I'm using. So I'll make it strong because it has to do with my money, so I'll make it a bit stronger. So after that, click here on this interface. They'll ask you to put a username. So put the username that you want to use. I'll use Chido original 01 or 042. Let me use 042. So this is 042. Chido original 042. Click on. So after that, they will prompt you to log in into your account. So you can just click on log into your account and put the information you use while creating your account. So I'll show you guys how to log in. So click on sign in, and it will sign you into your account, and I'll show you guys how to invest and start making money from this. Show you guys how to start investing. Let me show you guys the interface. From default, your account balance will be on 0. You won't have any funds on your account. So this is just get started, do money. I'll go through this, but first of all, come to your profile here. So this is your profile picture. Just click on this drop down arrow and you get an option of profile and logout. Click on your profile and you see other settings that you can adjust on your account settings, like your full name. You can edit your full name here, your username. You can select your gender here. As for me, I'm male. You can choose your date of birth here, select your own date of birth, postal address, put it here. save it, you can save it, account, make it visible, balance investors and all that. So here's your next of king. So this has to do with your money and in lifetime savings. So they have to make sure that they have information like your next of king, your relatives and all that. Put your first name of the next of king that you have, put the last name, put the email address and put the person's phone number. You can add your bank information here, put your bank number, your bank name, your relationships status with the person. It's here, male or female, then save your changes. So in case of any emergency, they can send your funds to your next of kin. So that's basically what they're trying to say. So here's your security options here. You can edit your email address, your phone number, your BVN. Make sure you add your BVN because it's a very strong platform out there. So they are making use of all these things to make sure that you actually who you say you are. Here you can enable your two-factor authentication so that you can get security. Anytime someone wants to log into your account without your permission, you can get an OTP code sent to your phone number. Here you can change your password and all that. So this is just for your profile. So let me come back to the home page. So this is the home page. Your balance is zero by default. Here is dual money, here is build emergency funds, here new savings, and here is referral program. So I'll go through all these one by one so you understand basically what this platform is all about. It's a simple platform. They just have like 7 tabs here that you just go through and you have learned the whole platform. So it's a saving platform. So one by one, here is on your plans package. So this is your plan platform. They have savings and they have investments. So let me go through this savings platform. So if you want to save money, so come to this platform and click on create new savings plan. So once you click on create new savings plan, they have regular savings, emergency plan, herbal savings, life goals, and they have savings circle. So this regular saving is basically saving your money for a minimum of 3 months. So you can withdraw your money within the first 3 months, but after that you can start withdrawing your money. So you get rewarded by a specific percentage after the end of 3 months and all that. Here's your emergency plan in case you want to save for emergencies. So it's a long-term saving for emergency, maybe in case of car accident or house burnt or whatever, you can save your money. So this is higher savings. Save your money with or without automations. So you can save your money freely. Anytime you want to drop money inside the account, you can drop your money. Here's your life goals. If you have a life goal that you want to achieve, you can save money. I have a minimum of 1 year. Maybe you want to have a life goal of building a house, you want to save towards that, you can enter this option. So this one is saving circle. You can save your money together with your friends and family. So this is the option. So I'll show you guys how to run this using the regular saving because that's what most of you guys will opt into. So here is, do you want to save to make your savings rather? If you want your savings to be withdrawing money from your bank account every 20 days, every 30 days, every 40 days, you can automate it to be automatically doing that. So it's like a robot system that does that and collects money from your bank account from the days you set it aside. So I might say, yes, I want the money to be automated, right? So I'll click on continue. So how frequently do you like to save? Once a day, once a week, or once a month? So whichever one you want. I might say once a week. So every week they will deduct so and so amount from my account, Naira account, or whichever account you have. So click on continue. So amount to save, which amount do you want them to deduct from your bank account? So I might just say every week they will take 50,000 naira from my bank account. So I'll click on continue. So when would you like to start? I'll start today. So today is the day that they will mark from after 7 days. They will remove another 50,000 naira from your week, from your money, from your bank account rather. So every 7 days, because I set it to a week, if you set it to a month, that's every 30 days and so on. So this is start today. I'll click on continue. So how long would you like to save? So how long? The minimum is 3 months, like I told you guys. Minimum is 3 months. So you can select these 3 months. So this is basically going to save if it's 50. So let's do the calculation, guys. So this is 50,000 naira multiplied by 4, multiplied by 12. So this is 12,000 naira multiplied by 12 will give you 600,000 naira. So this is 600,000 naira. So at the end of 3 months, you get 600,000 naira. At the end of 6 months, you get 1.2 million. So let me go for this to 6 months and click on continue. So this is basically the summary. Let's review. The amount is 50k. The week frequency is weekly. The start date is today's date, which is the 14th of July 2021. Maturity is June or January 10th, 2022, right? So interest rates, now they have an interest rate of 6.5%. So we are not even getting 1.2 million at the end of 6 months. What you are getting is with an interest of 6.5, so it's more than 1.2. So this is saving and investment platform and all that. So after that, click on method you want to make payments. So you can add your debit card that you want to be them to be deducting the money from. So you can add a new debit card, maybe a GT card, First Bank, whichever bank you have card, just Access Bank, whichever one, doesn't matter. So after that, click on create plan. So once you click on create plan, so here we go, we're about to save it from card now. This money will go into your savings. So if I click on okay cool, they will remove the amount from my bank and start saving it every week till maturity, which is 6 months. So that's how to save and also earn interest, which is 6.5%. So if I come back to the plans again and click on create new plans, all these plans have different percentage that they have, like emergency plan, other savings, life goals, and saving cycles. They have different return on your investment. So this one is 6.5% return. So that's basically how it goes, and the year and the duration you put actually differs. So that's the plans package for you guys. So once you come to plans, they have other investments that you can go into. This is savings. I showed you guys about savings. Coming to investments, you can buy mutual funds with it. They have dollar mutual funds and they have naira mutual funds. Whichever one you want to invest in. Let me say I want to invest in the dollar mutual funds. I'll come here. This is Nigeria Eurobond Fund, and this is the return that I'm going to give you. And this is another one, but this on the negative side, so don't go change this mutual fund, but this one is good to go. So I want to talk to you guys about mutual fund, but if you want to learn about mutual fund, you can contact me. My contact information is on the first link below in the description box. You see my WhatsApp number there, you see my email address and my phone call, so you can just call me, you can just talk and chill. So here's the Naira mutual funds that you can invest in. This is giving 11% mutual fund. This is 3.4 mutual funds, 9.5 mutual funds, 4.8 mutual funds, and list goes on. So they have 10% mutual funds and all that. So they have a lot of Naira mutual funds on this platform. So this one are the recommended ones. If I come to all mutual funds, you see a whole lot of them. So that's for the plans. Coming down to your history, you can see your savings, your history of your savings, history of your investment, and history of your withdrawals. So you can, once you buy your mutual funds, you can also sell your mutual funds. Hope you know that. So you can see your history of your withdrawals as well. So this is basically what you have done on your account so far. Here is your stash. If you want to stash your funds, maybe you want to save it for future use, you can stash it using this account number. If I copy this and send any money I want to stash safely, so nobody can touch it and whatever, I can save the money here. Now this money, nobody can touch it. The owner of this company, COWRYWISE, can't be able to touch this amount of money. So here is the name. They just created this account on my name, so I can start this money that I want to save here. Let me say I want to save 15 million here. I can save it in this Wema bank with my name. So anytime I want to touch it, I can now withdraw it to my other banks. So this is like a safe zone for you to save your money. So after that, they have the referral programs, which I hope you guys use my link. My referral link is below in the description box, which is this. I'll leave it below so you can easily register. Once you register with my referral link, you get a bonus of 250 naira, and I will get a bonus of 250 naira. So it's like a win-win situation. Nobody's losing. You guys are winning, I'm winning. So there's no need for you guys not to use it out there. So this is the referral package. So once you are registering, you see where they ask you to put a referral link. So put this code here, you get a bonus to start investing with. So here are some referral details you can also view. Your referral details, how much you have earned. You have earned so and so amount from my referrals since this paid out and all that. You can see your referrals, how much you have earned so far and all that. Then here is the payments package. Here's where you can add your cards and your banks. So this is where I can add a new card. If I want to use this card to be depositing money on COWRYWISE, I can add any card I want to use here. I can add up to 5 cards if I want to. Here's where you can add your banks. You can add various banks that you want to withdraw your money to. Anytime they want to deduct any amount of money from your bank, you can select the bank option, or anytime you want to withdraw, you can withdraw using this bank option. So here's where to add your payments information and others. And finally, their chat support system is where you can chat with their live support. If you have any further question you want to ask them regarding their platform, you can chat with an online person, so person they will attend to you guys. So this is a wonderful platform, and I encourage you guys to jump into this platform real quick after watching this video. So click the first link below and use my referral link to register on this wonderful platform. You can put your profile picture here on your profile just to make it more personal for you guys. So guys, my contact information will be below in the description box. Like I said earlier on, just contact me if you have any question, any comment, any business opportunity or proposal you want to make to me. Just contact me, we can transact from there. Guys, a playlist will open on your screen. Make sure you click on that playlist and watch as much videos as you can. And that being said, guys, I will see you guys on my next